Sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, ka, and tangent is opposite over adjacent, toa. We are going to look for the 6 trigonometric functions of the label acute angle. First, we need to find the missing side, and c squared, which is 13 squared, is equal to a squared, 5 squared, plus b squared that we're looking for. 169 is equal to 25 plus b squared. Now 169 minus 35 will be 144. So b is equal to the positive square root of 144, which is 12. 5, 12, 13 is a Pythagorean triple. Now, sine will be opposite over hypotenuse. So it's 5 over 13. Cosine will be adjacent over hypotenuse, 12 over 13. And tangent will be opposite over adjacent, 5 over 12. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, and it's 13 over 5. Secant is the reciprocal of cosine, 13 over 12. And cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent, 12 over 5. We're going to look for the missing sides first, and the missing sides is the hypotenuse, so it's c. C squared is equal to 3 squared plus square root of 2 squared. So 3 squared is 9. Square root of 2 times square root of 2 is square root of 4, which is 2. So c squared is equal to 11, and c is the positive square root of 11. So now that we have the missing side, we're just going to look for the ratio. Sine A is the opposite. Over the hypotenuse, so it's 3 over square root of 11. When we rationalize the fraction, it's 3 times square root of 11 divided by square root of 11 times square root of 11. Final answer is 3 square root of 11 over 11. Cosine is the adjacent side, which is square root of 2, divided by square root of 11. And when we rationalize the fraction, we will get square root of 2 times square root of 11 over square root of 11 times square root of 11. It's going to be square root of 22 over 11. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. The opposite to A is 3. The adjacent to angle A is square root of 2. And when we multiply by square root of 2 over square root of 2, we get 3 square root of 2 over 2. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. Cosecant A will therefore be square root of 11 over 3. Secant is the reciprocal of cosine. So secant A will be square root of 11 over square root of 2. When we multiply by square root of 2 over square root of 2, we'll get square root of 22. Square root of 22 over 2. Cotangent A is equal to square root of 2 over 3, the reciprocal of tangent. We're going to look for the values of the 6 trigonometric functions of acute angle B. And C squared is equal to 50 and C is equal to 5 square root of 2 after we proceed. 5 square root of 2. Now, sine B is equal to 5 over 5 square root of 2. When we cancel 5, we get 1 over square root of 2. And when we rationalize, we multiply by square root of 2 over square root of 2. We get square root of 2 over 2. So sine B is equal to square root of 2 over 2. Cosine B is equal to 5 over 5 square root of 2. So it's going to be square root of 2 over 2 because it's an isosceles right triangle. And tangent B is equal to 5 over 5, which is 1. Cosecant B is equal to 5 square root of 2 over 5. Therefore, it's equal to square root of 2. Secant B is equal to 5 square root of 2 over 5. It's going to be equal to square root of 2. And cotangent B, well, 5 over 5 is just 1.